think we found a decent campsite. This is Loleta Recreation Area in the Allegheny National Forest in Pennsylvania. It was a little weird getting here because Google took us through some dirt roads and I think they were just shortcutting us, which I don't think was necessary. So we'll figure it out when we leave. But this is a pretty nice campground. It's got power, as you can see right here, and we've got power on the other side of our camper, wherever that is, way over here. The other side of us, this we're standing in a different campsite, although it's within about 5 feet of our campsite. So I don't know if anybody's ever going to be here, but we're only here one night, so not a big deal. He's found sticks. He's so happy. He's pretty miserable. He had to find some sticks. We got up in the morning at 6 o'clock and took a shower quick and left. So he's been locked in the car all night, all morning, and he's been out once or twice to pee, but then he has to get right back. He hasn't had any playtime at all. And I took his ball away because he left it in the woods. He wouldn't pick it up, wouldn't put it in the car. He just was being a brat. So the ball's locked up in the car. He can't have it. But let's take you for a quick tour. We got to go up and sign in anyways. Where are we? I think we're at 6. No, maybe we're at 5. I don't know. We got to figure out our site and pay and get all the paperwork done. So come along. So here's the pay station. Got all the regular numbers and rules and everything like that. There's no cell service here. They recently raised the rates. And there's the rates again. There's no map here. We'll show you the map later. Campsite 22. It's a little thing, but it does have electric. Is a nice deep site up on the hill. That's pretty nice. 23, 24. As usual, the ones that are on the outside of the loop are usually the better sites. This is a really nice site right here. 25. A little narrow. 26 with a few balloons. This guy's a gray wolf for sale. 27. That's a pretty nice site too. That's like the site we were going to have up above. We drove around the up above. We almost took a site, but it had no electricity. And it was quite a ways from the bathroom. So now here's a site that I assume they're coming back because they left level blocks and their chairs. And up there with a nice pop-up. He thinks so. 33. And of course there's vault toilets. 34 is right next to us. And of course we're down under the trees. Since we got electricity, might as well be in the cool. And then there's 36. I'm not sure where that goes. On the other side is 38. So 37 is a nice site. Just along the road, we got a lot of motorcycles going by. There must be some kind of a rally. Now, for those of you that are worried about the dog not being on the leash, the camp manager said it was all right, just keep him out of trouble. This is the whole map. We are in this campsite up here in 35, and we're down here in the pond at the moment. And we did go way up in here. There's some nice campsites up here, but of course there's only one spot that there's water, and there's not any electricity or anything up there. So we decided to come down here where the bathhouse is. A pretty nice little map somebody did a while back, I guess. This is the trail to our campground. This is an old bathhouse. It doesn't work anymore, I'm told. And this is a very neat little dam, a little pond and stream. Somebody wants to go swimming. Okay, go ahead. He loves to swim. He's a beaver. You're a beaver, aren't you? You need a stick, huh? Get out of there, come on. This is the old bathhouse. I don't know if it's a real log building. It looks like it is. But it's all nailed. So it doesn't look like anything from the CCC with across the little mill pond here is the actual bathhouse. We've been over there. It's a pretty nice bathhouse. It's not the cleanest thing. It's a little on the worn side, but it's clean. It looks nice. We'll be using it in the morning, but we'll probably come down and park right there with the trailer and use it, and then leave from here. He just likes to play on sticks. He's trying to build a dam here. He's a beaver, I tell you. He's rearranging the logs for the dam. Okay, this is the third time we've gone across this bridge, and each time we get hit with spiders and spider webs on our hands, and I don't understand why they make a web so fast when people are walking across it. Hey. Hello folks, we're just finishing up editing videos from the trip up north to New York, and I got to talking to some fishermen, and the campground manager came over and wanted to talk to the dog and play with the dog. And, I kind of lost track of my videos, and so I don't have any good video. This is kind of the end of the video, but I did want to tell you that I did something today that I feel really bad about. I don't know if it'll affect my channel much or if everybody will just leave or what, but I sold my A-liner. I thought maybe just for fun I'd put it on Facebook Marketplace and see if anybody would nibble on it, because I put it for a fairly high price, and it has some real things that need to be fixed on it. It's not a problem, but it's just I don't have the time to do it. I'm having too much fun with the Wolf Pup, and I don't want to fix the A-liner and then never use it. So I put it on there, and a couple of people called me and talked to my aunt and tried to get it for $1. And after it was up there for 3 days, this guy called me and said he wanted to come and get it. And I said, well, do you know anything about it? He says, oh, I know everything about it. He says, I know what I want, and I want one of these. And I said, okay, come get it, come look at it. And I tried to tell him all the things, and I gave him all the parts to do on the A-liner, and he was kind of dumbfounded. And as he got here, he just hooked it up to his car, counted out the money for me, and gave it to me and said, this is what I want. It's, you know, it doesn't matter. I got it. I know what I want, and this is it. And he drove away with it. And I kind of felt like I was giving my child away to the Foreign Legion or something like that. But boy, that A-liner has given me more fun, more enjoyment in life, and it put me on this path I'm on today that is just making retirement just awesome. So I'm loving the Wolf Pup. I don't think I would ever want to go back to the A-liner, though I was thinking I'd fix it up and take it to the national rally in May, but it looks like not now. But anyways, my A-liner is gone. If you see it, please let me know. It still has the going nowhere fast across the bubble windows. So the guy said he wasn't going to bother taking those off, but I hope he enjoys. It's been out in the backyard up, and it never leaked or anything. I sprayed the hose on it before he got here so that if any water came through, he'd see it. And anyways, I feel really bad, and we're back, and we're just editing the videos to post them. So as to show you what a nutcase I am, I'm going to show you some baby pictures. These are his initial baby pictures. All right, so enjoy these. Watch the end of the video, and let me know. Leave comments if you think he looks like me. I think we wear different diapers, but other than that, leave me a comment, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you on the next video. All right, thanks, folks. Bye bye.